Can you guess the car by looking at the Hot Wheels? Each car gets 10 seconds and you have 3 different levels with different points. It's right here, guys. Anyways, good luck. Let's start off. First one. Which car is this? Time's up, and it's the Honda Prelude, guys. The 1998 Honda Prelude. Alright, so let's go for the next one. Here's the second car. Pretty easy one, I guess. Time's up, guys. So this is the Range Rover Velar. Alright, so let's go for the next one. Third car is here. Which car is this? Probably the most easiest one. Time's up, guys. So this is the 19 Audi R8 Spider. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Level medium. Which car is this? Time's up, guys. This is the Toyota 2000 GT. Alright, let's move for the next. This one's a very famous sports car. So, which car is this, guys? Time's up, guys. This is the Jaguar XJ220. Let's move on for the next one. Level hard. Okay, so which car is this one, guys? Time's up, guys. So this one is the Mazda Repu. Alright, let's go for the next. Final car on today's quiz. Which car is this? Time's up, guys. So this one is the 1972 Ford Ranchero. Alright, so note down all your points. So based on your points, these are the categories you belong to, guys. Alright then, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, guys. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.